Today I am going to make instant jalebi. First, in a pan, put 2 cups sugar, 1 cup water and mix well and boil it for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame until sugar dissolves. Now put 1 pinch saffron, half teaspoon cardamom powder and mix well and prepare 1 thread consistency sugar syrup. Now put off the gas. Next, in a bowl, put 100 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon corn flour, 1 tablespoon curd, half teaspoon orange food color and mix well. Now add water and prepare batter. The consistency of the batter should be thick and flowing. Now add 1 teaspoon baking powder and mix thoroughly. Now pour the batter in any squeezy bottle which has a small opening. Now in a pan, put oil to fry and 1 tablespoon of clarified butter for the flavor and let it become hot. Once the oil is ready, start making jalebis. The oil should not get too hot, otherwise jalebis will get burned. We need to fry jalebis on a medium flame until they get crispy. Now turn jalebis and fry other side also. Now remove the jalebis and put it straight in prepared warm sugar syrup for 1 minute. Now remove it and prepare all jalebis the same way. All jalebis are ready. Now garnish it with 3 to 4 chopped almonds and 3 to 4 chopped pistachios. Hot and delicious jalebis are ready to serve. If you have liked this recipe, then please don't forget to click subscribe button on this side and this side click to watch my other videos. Soon I'll upload more recipes. Till then, stay foodie and stay healthy.